Greetings from my back porch, seniors, and congratulations to you and to your accomplished parents. I have a word for you today. The word is truth. Now, I was going to ask you to tuck that word into your hat, and then it dawned on me you might throw your hat away by sunset. So I was thinking, how about we tuck it into your heart? And along with it, maybe some of the ideas I'm going to share with you. The word is truth. Think for a minute. It does matter to you. It's important to you, that word. I know it is. If you heard of someone speaking an untruth about you, you would be absolutely devastated, and I would be too. Truth matters to all of us. And you know, when you're considering that truth is important, it is absolutely valuable when you're laying a foundation or a premise on which you build anything. Your school and your teacher have been building all through the years this foundation of truth for you. Consider this. You saw truth at work when you learned how your science principles were consistent and unchanging all through the ages. You saw truth at work as you noticed the hand of the Creator in math formulas. You saw truth applied when you struggled to understand literature and the Revealer God revealed to you an understanding. You saw truth at work when you failed or had a bad attitude, and the redeeming Messiah offered you forgiveness. You're privileged. You're a very privileged group. Many people are seeking truth, but few actually know it, and you are among those few, and you can know the truth. Listen to what Jesus told his disciple Thomas in John 14 when he said, I am the way, the truth, and the life. And then later in that chapter he told Philip, whoever has seen me has seen the Father, further speaking of himself being that very truth. God, because he loves you, has saved these words and the rest of Scripture just for you. All through the ages, man has tried to get rid of the word through fire or laws in government, or wars, or destructions of other sorts. But God, in his power and because of his love, has chosen to save it for you. He has preserved it for you. So you can know this word that speaks this truth to you. But even today, professors, friends, bosses, others will jeer you with, that way is too narrow. That truth is not inclusive enough. That life is too dull. But you have this truth. For no one can lay a foundation other than that which was laid, which is Jesus Christ. 1 Corinthians 3 there. You will not, I trust, you will not settle for a lesser value. You will claim all of the value God has chosen for you and taught you. You will examine every course you take, every decision you make, and every job you choose through the lens of that truth that you know. You will live declaring one way, one truth, one life, Jesus Christ and him alone.